anyone who relies on their International or IC Corporation vehicle, a smooth, responsive accelerator isn't just a luxury, it's an absolute necessity. But what happens when that vital link starts to falter, leaving you with a hesitant or unreliable drive? Well, today we're looking at a potential game changer, the PSEPEY accelerator pedal, designed as a direct replacement for those crucial components. This pedal, identified by part numbers like 6995103, 577.55578, and 2,606,578 C91, is specifically engineered to be compatible with select International and IC Corporation models. Now, a quick but vital note here. Always double-check your vehicle's make and model compatibility before you buy. It's a small step that saves a lot of hassle. What really stands out about this PSEPEY pedal is their commitment to quality. They talk about standardized manufacturing and using premium materials, and honestly, that translates directly into what you feel underfoot. You're not just getting a replacement, you're getting a component built for excellent performance and a long service life. Imagine that immediate, precise response when you press down. No lag, no stickiness, just smooth, consistent power delivery. It's about restoring that original, factory-fresh feel to your vehicle, giving you back confidence on the road, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising the highway. A reliable accelerator pedal isn't something you want to think about constantly. You want it to work flawlessly every single time. And with the robust construction promised by PSEPEY, it feels like this pedal is designed to deliver exactly that kind of consistent, worry-free operation. It's about peace of mind, knowing that your vehicle's throttle response is as dependable as it needs to be for those demanding applications. And if you ever run into a snag, it's reassuring to know that PSEPEY offers responsive customer service, promising a reply within 24 hours. That kind of support can make a big difference when you're dealing with vehicle parts. So, if your International or IC Corporation vehicle is feeling a bit sluggish or unresponsive at the pedal, this PSEPEY accelerator pedal looks like an incredibly solid choice. It promises to bring back that crisp, reliable throttle control, making your driving experience smoother and more confident. It's a high-quality replacement that truly aims to restore your vehicle's performance to its prime.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.